Let's get more educated about different new design patterns, more usability and user experience points to enable our users for better onboarding. So let's get started. Now, first is whenever the user is going to enter your website, there might be different entry points for their different situations. Like you can see Lifeline Australia, I'm going to show you the example website that there might be different entry points for different kind of users. Some might be in a very emergency or just want to, you can see over here. So this is the website. So someone might be in danger right now. Maybe they want to do suicide or something like that. In life danger, call 000. Okay, so this is a really nice way of having different entry situations for each emergency. Now you can see they also have call this one for crisis support. Then you can also text us. So if someone is not in very urgency, maybe I'm feeling anxiety or depression, I can chat with them online just to relax myself. I can text them online. So these are a really nice way of showing different entry points for your different kind of users. Like maybe I have seen logins for merchants, logins for customers, something like that. Now further you can see they have more entry points. Like you can see if someone is not in emergency and they want to donate or volunteer or help them fundraise, they can go over here. So there are different entry points for different types of users. Really nicely done website. I really love it. You can see if the life is in danger, very clear in the middle top. Also they have this button, call, we are here for you, chat with us, text us, or call directly. So this is a very nice way of showing different entry points for different kind of users. Now, if you have taken my user experience design courses, you already might know about affordances. Affordances are actually how this product is going to work. So affordances have clear labels. There are few things we need to make sure that to build a better user onboarding is having good affordance. So maybe your label shows sign up. So sign up is an action. So if they click on it, it will trigger an action. Now, if we click on my account, it is basically a noun. Okay, so it is a name of a thing. So if you click on it, it is going to show you a navigation. So this is a simple differentiation between a label having action or verb and label having noun. Affordances use metaphors. Metaphors are basically, so if like this is my wallet and I am trying to develop an app that is going to be my digital wallet, I may be using something similar to this one. So you have to use it very carefully. Like you can see on the right, there was a very old Microsoft Bob metaphor that actually showed your whole room by clicking on calendar and everything, and it really failed. So you can see over here they have to stop using this. So there was a clock on the wall. You can see there's a calendar. There is your computer, your books. On the right we have a dog that can show some help. Anyhow, that actually failed. So affordances are based on conventions. So conventions means that if something is similar, like pressing a button, we normally operate things by pressing a button, like you can see over here the side button on a mobile phone. So this is actually convention. So use same icons, same similar things that your users are already familiar with. So affordances adhere to the same conceptual model. So make sure your users what they have in their mind. I have a detailed lecture in my user experience design course about this conceptual models and all this stuff. So they should represent the same action. So if I am thinking that if I click over here, I would go to sign up page, then I think it should work like that. If I click over there and I went to pay first and subscribe to subscription, I think that would be a bit of mismatch with my conceptual model. Now let's talk about a little bit of about information architecture. So if you are developing a user onboarding, these things are also going to match because they need to figure out how to reach that information. Like you can see different entry points I have showed you on Lifeline website. So navigation enables actually users to have offering, like you can see, I already told you that they can give you multiple entry points to some location. Hierarchy on the other end is how you are going to prioritize what has the more priority. It is going to be at the top, or maybe in the top section of your website. So this is how you develop information architecture based on different entry points. Now there are few more things that are going to have an impact on your user, that is microcopy and your animations. If you have small animations that that emphasize something, like you can see a small micro animation on Twitter's heart. So when you click on it, I really love clicking on it. I enjoy it every time, even though I have been using it from like past 4 or 5 years. So this also makes sure that the user understand that this is the cause and effect relation. So if I'm clicking add to cart, the cart just wiggles like this and updates to 1 or 2 items. This is going to show me that I have actually added a product to my cart. Second is microcopy. So your labels, your style of writing, it is going to calm down your user. So if you want to excite them or calm them down, or you are very serious business or something like that, let me show you one example. This is the app. Let me show you. So here is an app that is Alan Mind. This is to calm down your mind, maybe for sleeping app. So you can see this screen. Welcome to Alan Mind. We are so happy that you are here. So it is, you can see the whole theme of the app is lightweight, or purple, light purple color, a mix of happiness and sleepy head, something like that. So you can see this is a mental health app. Really nice color scheme, the whole theme, and you can see the wording over here. We are so happy that you are here. Now you can see a balanced mind starts here, a balanced mind starts here. So this is a really nice way and correct usage of your copy. You can see sign up to save progress and secure your journal. This is a very nice prompt to help users. Let's see how we have. So you can see this is very politely asking the user, like you can see over here. First we are going to go through a few questions. This is a very polite way of asking users. You can see over here on this screen. Then we have, what can we help you achieve? Feel calmer, be happier, more confidence, overcome fear, improve relationships, sleep better. I understand this because I have suffered depression and anxiety myself. Still, I am a patient of anxiety. So this really matters a lot, and it will, your microcopy is going to help your users build trust and feel more calm mind while using your app. Now, helping the user. So where is your help database or help forum or help content? Where it is residing matters a lot. So here is an example of Slackbot. Slackbot is a really nice way of integrated help inside the Slack app. If you haven't used it, try to install it and start using it. It would have a separate, like you can see over here, Slackbot is a separate channel. You can click on it and it will show you and guide you how you can attach files, how you can tag someone in the messages and things like that. So this is a really nice way of having an help content integrated into the app. Next is powerful defaults and empty states. So a lot of times, I think 70 to 80% of time, user normally don't change their default settings of their apps. So make sure your defaults are using your app or using your customer resources at the best. And here you can see some of the examples from Greg. Where are your plants located? You can continue over here. So this is a nice way of showing, rather than add your plants over here. So this is very boring that you don't have any plants. So rather than having showing nothing to the user, you can start by saying something like, where are your plants located? Continue. Next is, you can see it already had you can have a custom location. So it is asking you, where is your location? or tap to enter custom location. So this is a nice way to start or set your defaults. Here is another screen which is showing that you haven't added any activities yet and you can add activity. This is a nice way of showing an empty screen to trigger another action. One way of training your user is pre-populated empty state. So if you haven't used Notion, try to install that app. Really amazing app. It can do tons of things. People are doing a lot of stuff, collaborating with others, updating tasks, to-do lists, and a lot more, even taking notes. So what they do is when you start that app, they have a built-in pre-populated get started page where they have already have images inserted and some guidance that you can follow along and you can do it practically inside that app. This is a really nice way of showing guidance and onboarding to the user by having pre-populated empty states. Now the last one is playthrough demo plus tutorial. So you can see over here, I have used this app Paper by WeTransfer. It is a paid app, but actually what you can do is if you install it on your iPad, you can play through some of the pages. You can get familiar with the app that this is how it will work. And there is a small video which shows along with whatever you are doing. So this is how you can smudge the colors by pressing your thumb or your finger, and this is a very nice way. You have seen this in a lot of games too. So there is a play through demo tutorial in the start of the game. Similarly, you can implement this in the apps. So you can see that we want the user to get the taste of the app rather than showing them creating your account first or paying the subscription first, and they might run away. You have to show them a playthrough demo or tutorial. So this is all about all the different patterns I have showed you for better user onboarding or designing a perfect user onboarding that is going to integrate your guidance and help inside that product. Let's move on to the next lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.